Let's say you find a potato that's trying to take root in your pantry. We've all been there. But is it safe to eat? Let's talk about how to know when your potatoes are past their prime. Why do potatoes sprout? Potatoes are actually super nutritious. They have more potassium than a banana and are a great source of fiber. Plus, they're shelf-stable and last a lot longer than other types of vegetables. But they won't last in your pantry forever. Potatoes can last about 2 to 3 months if stored in a cool, dark place, like a cupboard or a brown paper bag. If potatoes have been stored for more than a few months, they might sprout as an attempt to grow more potatoes. Is it safe to eat sprouted potatoes? Over time, potatoes can build up 2 types of natural toxins in the glycoalloid family, called solanine and chaconine. These toxins can make you sick if consumed in large quantities, and they're concentrated in the sprouts or any visibly green parts of the potato. It's important to also note that cooking doesn't destroy any of these potential toxins. How to store potatoes to prevent sprouting. Store potatoes in a cool, dark place that's moisture-free to keep them at their best for as long as possible. Also, consider storing them separately from other types of fruits and vegetables, especially onions, which also release the ethylene ripening gas that can make them sprout more quickly. And as with any other foods, try to only buy what you can realistically use in the foreseeable future. This means maybe skipping out on the Costco-sized bag of potatoes unless you actually think you'll get through it. This will help you cut down on food waste, improve the food safety of your meals, and ultimately save you some money too. So enjoy those potatoes and eat well.